Alright guys, today we're going to be diagnosing a little bit of a issue where the truck is shaking a little bit while we're driving at a certain speed. And so right here, just kind of looking at different things it could be, I think I have the culprit. Looking at the tire itself, so the tire has a little bit of wear on the outsides, which is kind of normal. However, if you look, let's see if we can see it in here. Look at this edge and how it goes in and out and in and out and in and out. All right, so that's what's probably more than likely causing the shaking that we get when we're driving at certain speeds, and whether we're loaded with whether our trailer is loaded or not. So identifying that leads me to looking at the shocks next. Well, this shock itself, I cleaned it all up, is destroyed. It is doing no good whatsoever. So I got to get on here, clean it off real good so I can get the part number and go get that shock. And then once I get the shocks, I will show you how we change those. So a couple of things you can look for to see if your shocks are going bad is down here you can see if there's any drainage, any oil drainage. But obviously this one I know is bad because it's loose. So the pressure is completely out of this one. So this whole thing is just shot. So that's why we're going to replace this one, and because we're replacing this one, we're going to replace the one on the other side as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get this off. Alright, the old one's coming off. Alright, so here's our new one. There's the part number for this one that I'm doing. It's the Gabriel Fleet Line. This is part number 85954HD, which stands for heavy duty. And we're going to go ahead and put this one on. So I'm going to start with the top up here. Get this in first, and then I'll figure out the bottom. So let's go ahead and put this bolt in. We'll get this nut started. If I don't drop it. We got the bolt in, we'll get the nut on. Just loose enough for us to maneuver the bottom a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to grab the bottom bolt. I'm going to put it through just like we had the other one. Actually, so this one I put the label on the outside, but the part number's on the other side. You could turn it, which is what I'll do, because I just want to be able to read that part number down the road in case I ever have to replace this and don't have that on handy. So turn that a little bit so that I have the part number right here so it's easy to access for a mechanic or whoever needs to look at this later. We'll start the bolt. I'm going to pull down, get it where it needs to go, slide that bolt in there. That's it. Now it's all about tightening up the bolts. Alright, so we got our new Gabriel Socks on here. So we should be all set to go after you tighten it up. There's nothing else you need to do other than just feel it out when you're driving. Make sure that that one feels pretty good. It should be nice and smooth. And I'll just keep an eye on this tire and the tread and see if we can't, as we drive, this smooths out, or else if it's causing more issues, we might have to change this tire. But there's plenty of life on this tire. It's just how it's going to handle on the road. So I hope that helps you on how to change your shocks, and we'll catch you on the next video.